here out of flaxseed. Seasoned it, got the flour and everything as you saw before, and regular all-purpose flour right there. You can use your own flour as you like, and I seasoned both of these mixtures, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set them to the side here. So let's chop up the onion. What I decided to do is go ahead on and add my cornmeal in with my flour, and I'll just do a double dunk back and forth to get the mixture nice and thick on the onion rings before I put them in the oil. I really do like to use my hands, so I'm gonna put this into my flaxseed egg mixture. Then I'm gonna put it right over into my flour. And as you can see, it's sticking really nicely. Make sure you get the insides and out. And wow, that's already doing a great job. And as you can see, it's fully coated and ready. I'm gonna sit it here and let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna pop it in. I'm gonna seal them in with some cornmeal, the onion rings, and they're already ready to go. As you can see, they have a nice little covering now. And so now, after this, I'm gonna pop them in the oil. There they go. The onion rings are getting nice and toasty and crispy brown. I'm gonna turn them over. These are done. I'll let you see how they look close up. You can make your own onion rings at home. Don't even have to buy them. Look at that. Nice and golden. That's what happens when you try something new at home. And yeah, I decided to go ahead and do that. I hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial on onion rings. And yeah, make your own. And if you do, let me know in the comments below. God bless you.